అనుమానాల నేపథ్యంలో ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ ఓటింగ్ యంత్రాలు, రసీదు ఈవీఎంల పనితీరు, భద్రతా ప్రమాణాలను సైతం ఈసీ ప్రజలకు ప్రసార మాధ్యమాల ద్వారా ప్రస్తుతం వివరిస్తోంది. ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
And have asked for evidence from complainants and have also asked for credible material information to support their claims. लेकिन कमीशन को अभी तक इन शिकायतकर्ताओं से कोई भी साक्ष्य या कोई भी credible material information प्राप्त नहीं हुआ है. A group of 13 political parties met the commission on 10th April 2017 and also expressed certain reservations about the use of electronic voting machines. Some political parties also raised queries about incidents relating to VVPATs used on 31st March 2017 during demonstration and not actual poll at Bhind, Madhya Pradesh and Dholpur, Rajasthan by-elections which were held in April. To understand the concerns of all political parties, Commission convened an all-party meeting on 12th May 2017. After the day-long, nearly 8 hours long meeting with political parties, a press statement was also issued by the Commission. While issuing the press statement, the Commission made following commitments to the political parties. The Commission has stated before political parties, and I will recount these one by one, what we said to the political parties. Number one, the Commission had stated before political parties that all future elections will be mandatorily held with VVPATs. The Commission firmly believes that the use of VVPAT machines along with EVMs in all polling stations in all future elections will bring utmost transparency and credibility in the EVM-based voting system. VVPAT लगाने से हर एक वोटर को ये साफ हो जाएगा कि उसका वोट किस कैंडिडेट को गया है. जिस समय वोटर बटन दबाएंगे उस समय उनके कैंडिडेट का नाम और उनका सिंबल वीवीपैट मशीन के ऊपर आएगा और पेपर स्लिप कट करके वीवीपैट के साथ जुड़े हुए एक सील्ड बॉक्स में गिर जाएगी और ये स्लिप एक ऑडिट ट्रेल का काम करेगी उस वोटर के लिए और उस ऑडिट ट्रेल से हमारे वोटर का कॉन्फिडेंस और ट्रस्ट बढ़ेगा. हमारा ऐसा मानना है और हमारा ऐसा दृढ़ विश्वास है कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वोटिंग मशीन्स के साथ वीवीपैट का इस्तेमाल करने से जितनी भी शंकाएं, जितने भी शक और शुबह और जितनी भी प्रकार की भ्रांतियां उत्पन्न की गई हैं वो सब फाइनली समाप्त होनी चाहिए. यह भी एक बड़े गर्व का विषय है कि भारत पूरी दुनिया में पहला देश होगा जहां पर 100% पेपर ऑडिट ट्रेल का इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा, जबकि बहुत सारे देशों में जिनमें नीदरलैंड, जर्मनी, आयरलैंड शामिल हैं, वहां पर पेपर ऑडिट ट्रेल की कमी थी. कमीशन को 100% वीवीपैट के इस्तेमाल के लिए धनराशि प्राप्त हुई है और कमीशन ने ये धनराशि मैन्युफैक्चरर्स को रिलीज भी कर दी है और मैन्युफैक्चरर्स के द्वारा अगस्त 2017 में इनका निर्माण प्रारंभ होगा और अगले वर्ष सितंबर 2018 तक सारे वीवीपैट आयोग को बन करके प्राप्त हो जाएंगे. पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज की मीटिंग में बहुत सारे सजेशन दिए गए थे, जिनमें एक महत्वपूर्ण सजेशन ये था कि आयोग को वीवीपैट की स्लिप्स की गिनती करनी चाहिए. चुनाव आयोग ने इस विषय पर विचार किया है और इस विषय पर शीघ्र ही निर्णय लेने वाले हैं, जिसमें एक निश्चित प्रतिशत तक वीवीपैट की पेपर स्लिप्स की गणना भी की जाएगी और इसका एक पूरा फ्रेमवर्क बहुत जल्दी प्रस्तुत किया जाएगा. और इसके बाद कमीशन ने ये भी कहा पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को कि द कमीशन विल होल्ड ए चैलेंज एंड ऑफर अपॉर्चुनिटी टू पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज to demonstrate that EVMs used in recently concluded assembly elections were tampered or that EVMs can be tampered even under the laid down technical and administrative safeguards of the Commission. Then Commission also urged all political parties to ensure their continuous and qualitative participation in all crucial steps during elections. And these steps are first level checking, randomization of electronic voting machines, VVPATs, polling personnel, EVM preparations, candidate setting, mock poll, EVM sealing and storage. The Commission actually invited more suggestions from political parties on how to further increase their participation so that absolute transparency is maintained at all times. The Commission further urged political parties that improving integrity of the election process is a shared responsibility of all stakeholders. We have solicited their suggestions to fill up gaps, if any, during the elections and non-election period. We have made it clear to political parties that the Commission believes in total transparency and have nothing to hide from people and stakeholders. The Commission will receive suggestions from stakeholders for improvement of its processes. We also maintained and mentioned before political parties that the Commission maintains equidistance from all parties and groups. The Commission further emphasized that the Commission has no favorites. Further, this equidistance by the Commission has enhanced India's reputation in the eyes of global community.